Hey guys, in today's video let's take a look at some of the best bookshelf speakers around $500 that you can find on the market today. I've made this list based on my personal opinion, research, but also taking in consideration customer reviews. If you want more information and up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in video description. Bookshelf speakers are compact audio speakers that are designed to be placed on a shelf, desk, or other elevated surfaces. They are typically used as part of a home audio system or as desktop speakers for computers. These speakers are relatively small in size compared to floor-standing speakers. They are usually compact and lightweight, making them easy to place in various locations. Despite their compact size, bookshelf speakers can produce impressive sound quality. They often offer a wide frequency range and accurate sound reproduction, making them suitable for both music and movie playback. As the name suggests, bookshelf speakers are commonly placed on bookshelves or other elevated surfaces. However, they can also be mounted on stands or placed on dedicated speaker stands for optimal positioning and sound projection. Bookshelf speakers can be powered either by an external amplifier or with built-in amplifiers. Active bookshelf speakers have the advantage of a built-in amplifier, eliminating the need for a separate receiver or amplifier. They can have various connectivity options, including wired connections like RCA or speaker wire connections, as well as wireless options such as Bluetooth or Wi-Fi for streaming audio from compatible devices. Bookshelf speakers come in a wide range of prices, from budget-friendly options to high-end models. The price can depend on factors such as the brand, build quality, sound performance, and additional features. When selecting bookshelf speakers, it's important to consider your personal preferences, intended use, and the acoustic characteristics of your listening space. It's often recommended to audition different models and read reviews to find the ones that suit your needs and deliver the desired sound quality. So, here are 5 of the best bookshelf speakers around $500 that you can find on the market today. This is the Polk Signature Elite ES20, a high-res audio certified, Dolby Atmos and DTS-X compatible bookshelf speaker. Polk's Signature Elite ES20 features dynamically balanced acoustic array with precision crossover, a 1-inch Turreline tweeter and a 6.5 inches woofer that deliver room-filling, crystal-clear sound and a lifelike soundstage. Signature Elite loudspeakers deliver spacious, clear, enveloping and realistic sound reproduction from nearly any amplifier or receiver, whether 4 or 8 ohm, vintage audiophile or the latest Dolby Atmos or DTS-X surround sound AVRs. The tweeter's ultra-high frequency response combined with its powerful, low-resonance ceramic motor structure enables the Signature Elite ES20 to deliver crystal-clear, highly detailed sound with the energy of live music. Polk's patented power port technology delivers 3 dB louder bass output than conventional ported speakers, minimizing turbulence and distortion so you do not miss any detail in your movies, music, and games. Power port is a Polk patented design that smoothly transitions the airflow from the speaker's port into your listening area. It also extends the overall bass port, providing greater surface area to eliminate turbulence and distortion for louder, deeper, more musical bass impact. The Signature Elite series speakers with their bold, modern looks are sure to make heads turn and set feet tapping, no matter where you are sitting in the room. Their elegant and classy style will make a statement with any home decor. Whether upgrading your home theater setup with an advanced Atmos configuration, or wanting to enjoy music from the latest high-res streaming services, Signature Elite ES20's dynamically balanced acoustic array with phase-optimized precision crossovers ensures a seamless, lifelike soundstage and wide sweet spot no matter what you're listening to or where you're sitting in the room. The timbre-matched Polk components ensures seamless speaker-to-speaker blending with the Signature Elite series. Add a pair to the ES50 tower pair, ES30 center channel and any sub for a full 5.1 surround setup. For buying options and more information about this speaker, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, let's take a look at Klipsch RP600M reference premier bookshelf speakers. Leveraging a 1-inch titanium tweeter matted to the proprietary hybrid Tractrix horn, the RP600M bookshelf speakers deliver incredible acoustics to fill your home with loud, crystal-clear sound and robust bass. Klipsch reference premier series speakers feature a compressed molded silicon face that's matted to the 90x90 Tractrix horn to reduce horn resonance for a smoother frequency response. A vented tweeter design reduces standing waves behind the tweeter diaphragm for a smoother high-frequency reproduction. The titanium tweeter diaphragm's lightweight yet rigid composition exceeds the performance of aluminum, polymer, or silk tweeters. Klipsch ceramic cones are matted to a dual-layer, copper wound voice coil for exceptional conductivity. Reference Premier woofers are housed in a non-resonating, stamped steel basket that's secured to a large magnet motor for exceptional efficiency and low distortion, and matched to our horn-loaded tweeters for optimal acoustic execution. The rear Tractrix port is perfectly matched to the cabinet and woofers, creating ideal airflow with minimal distortion or turbulence even at the lowest frequencies. The RP600M bookshelf speaker features dual input terminals, so you can buy wire or bi-amp your speakers. The RP600M ebony and walnut finishes boast satin-painted baffles with a scratch-resistant design for an elegant audio solution to your home theater system. Strong, flexible, magnetic grills provide protection and a sleek aesthetic to complement your home's decor. For buying options and more information about this speaker, check the links in video description. The Acoustics 3030i bookshelf speakers is next on my list. 3030i shelf speaker is the latest addition to the Acoustics 3000i range. It's designed to deliver the biggest, most commanding sound ever achieved by a speaker of this type and cost. Featuring a 165mm mid-bass driver developed from the powerful Acoustics 3050i floor stand speaker along with an optimized motor. Because it's capable of such low frequency presence, the 25mm tweeter above is decoupled, so it's isolated from the vibrations of the mid-bass driver. Acoustics 3030i speaker has bass extension and control superior to that of any nominal rival. Factor in the same tweeter and mounting as used in the 3050i floor stander, and 3030i redefines the scale and fidelity available from such a competitively costed stand mount speaker. Softly elegant lines and exceptional build quality ensure 3030i looks as good as it sounds in any of its four finishes. The bespoke stand provides both perfect stability and perfect positioning. These are a few of the things that make 3030i one of the best pound-for-pound speakers Acoustics has ever built. As with the rest of the 3000i range, the 3030i features magnetic grills and an attractive chrome finish around each driver. The Q3030i boasts P2P bracing, which supports the parts of the enclosure that need to be stiffened, making the new enclosures exceptionally rigid, improving the focus of the stereo image and giving the soundstage more accuracy than ever before. Designed with recessed cutouts to reduce cabinet noise, and featuring low-profile binding posts with sockets deep enough for 0.16 inches banana plugs, you can shelf mount or stand mount these stereo speakers near a rear wall. For buying options and more information about this speaker, check the links in video description. Now, let's look at the Edifier S2000 MK3 powered Bluetooth Bookshelf 2.0 speakers. Built using planar diaphragm tweeters and 5.5 inches woofers, the speaker delivers clear, powerful audio. 4 listening presets at your fingertips, swap between 4 distinct EQ modes: monitor, dynamic, classical, and vocal. Classical mode is made for the classical music genre infused with a hi-fi spirit. Monitor mode matches sound reproduction as accurately as possible. Dynamic mode is for those that want a little fun from their audio. Vocal mode highlights the vocals for any audio track. Perfect for audiobooks, podcasts, and music emphasized for singing. The treble, bass, and volume are individually adjustable. The speaker casing is made out of a wood veneer while the knobs are made from metal and have a professional-grade feel. The speakers have a smart feature that auto-adjusts the volume on startup, protecting both the speaker and listener from high frequencies. The remote control comes with the speakers as standard to facilitate volume adjustment, sound source switching, mode selection, and power on and off. Clear design in the remote ensures you know what buttons you are pressing. For buying options and more information about this speaker, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, let's look at Q350 bookshelf speakers. The remarkable Q-series bookshelf speakers excel when space is limited. Featuring the signature Uni-Q driver array with computational fluid dynamics port design, the Q350s deliver detailed natural sound with high clarity and tight bass. A powerful 6.5 inches driver delivers deep, powerful bass perfect for movies, television, and music. KEF's signature innovation places the tweeter in the acoustic center of the mid-range cone, bringing the acoustic ideal of a single-point source closer than ever to realization. The result is a more detailed, more accurate three-dimensional sound image, which is dispersed more evenly throughout the room than is possible with a conventional speaker. The Q350 contains an enhanced unit Q driver array designed to smooth out treble frequencies and reimagine crossovers to provide cleaner and more accurate bass. With the addition of the damped tweeter loading tube, providing a gentle termination of sound produced from the back of the tweeter. Lower treble performance is improved dramatically, and a new low distortion inductor on the crossover provides cleaner bass. To optimize the resolution and purity of the Q-series bookshelf speakers, the Uni-Q driver has been repositioned to the center of the cabinet to reduce unwanted internal resonance and adds refinement to their sonic clarity and detail. To optimize the high-resolution sonic image of these speakers, the Uni-Q driver is repositioned at the center of the cabinet. This avoids any possibility of standing waves and reduces resonance within the enclosure. By facing the low-frequency port to the rear, we reduce the audibility of mid-range leakage. Founded in 1961, KEF has been providing the world's audiophiles with unparalleled sound quality. KEF is at the cutting edge of field-leading acoustic research and a standard for everyone else to live up to. For buying options and more information about this speaker, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.